Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this popit blind bag. Before we get started, I'm going to tell you guys that this is a homemade blind bag. So I'm just unboxing this to entertain all of you. So let's open it up. Okay. Wait. This is, by the way, a popit blind bag. We can get common, rare, ultra rare, legendary. Now I'm so excited to open this, and the bag is so beautiful and colorful. I really like this bag. So yeah, snip, 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 and now we're gonna open it up. Boom! Got that open. Ooh, looks like some fun stuff inside. Orange bag, checklist. Ooh, it's tied in there. I'm so excited. And what else? Let me just see inside. And yeah, we got 2 rolls of washi tape, which is a free extra, and a pencil top right in the corner. We got a checklist in which we have rare with 2 pops, ultra rare with 3, legendary with 4, common with 1 pop. So yeah, I'm really wanting the rare or the ultra rare popit. Now let's open up our blind bag. Snip, snip. Okay, I'm trying to be on the line as best as possible. And we got it open. Oh, I gotta do that again. Let me just real quick do that again. Okay. Oh, I just have to rip it. How well did I glue this thingy? It's like so hard to open. Okay. Yay, I got the 3 one. This was the one I wanted. Really cute. It's really cute. And we remove the tape and ultra rare it is. Hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye.